Hello, this is Vita from Vuyhair, and today I have a very long leg for wig this week. Yes, this wig is 32 inches from single donor, and it's going to make four bundle from four bundle, and one closer. The bundle is 32, and the closer is 26. Yeah, you can see this from single donor and a natural wavy, a natural straight, natural texture, no mixing, no making anything for this. And you can see very silky, very shiny. Yes, it is from four bundle from Vietnamese hair, and it look like and it is baby teen hair because it's very silky and sharp. You can see. Yes, it is the closer 2 by 6 by 80 leg. So when you can customize the head like this. Yeah, for nicer, and you can see the hair is very nice. You can make color with it very well, or you can roll for wavy or curly is very well because we don't process anything. You can see it's very long. It's very nice. Yeah, you can see it is a special wig. Yeah, this is pre-order. Yeah, if you want you can order it. You can see from Singapore. Let me show. It's you can see clearly, right? Yeah, and from four bundle. Yeah, very nice here. You can see here. Okay, let me show the inside to you. Here, you can see the is down cup from the 2 by 6 close or 80 leg here. Yeah, 80 leg it to mess with the skin so well. If you can order with the closer 4 by 4, 6 by 6 or 5 by 5, even with frontal. But with frontal or 5 by 5 or 6 by 6, the price is higher than 2 by 6 like this. And you can see for single donor. So it's natural wave, a natural dress, so you can it's a little wavy. So when you want to be very straight, you can iron it. Yeah, see it's natural texture, so it's not very straight, but it's a poor single donor. Very long. You can see very long. From four bundle, if you want to order, you can order from four bundle like this, or you can order from three bundle. Yeah, but four bundle is look like very full. You can see, and it's poor natural single donor. One bundle from one donor, and we made from four bundle. Yeah. Thank you. If you want to order, you can order with me on WhatsApp, or you can order on website vietnamhumanhair.com. Thank you. Bye.